What's going on, guys? Justin here at Race-Driven Powersports in Escanaba, Michigan. So, while the boss was away, we may have borrowed his brand new 2026 Xpedition ADV 5 Northstar, and let's just say, we didn't leave it stock. Let me walk you through what we did to this thing. Starting up front, we installed a full coverage front bumper. Not only does it add serious protection, but it also gave us room to mount some serious lighting, including the SRM and D series Pro LED pods from Rigid Industries. We also added recovery shackles, so you've got pulling access from multiple angles, and we mounted a Pro Series high mount 6,000 pound winch kit, because when you need it, you really need it. Down below, we protected the undercarriage with front and rear A-arm guards to keep this machine trail ready. Up top, we added a 50-inch curved RDS SR series light bar from Rigid Industries. This thing absolutely turns night into day. Behind that sits a Rhino rack system, and we didn't leave it bare. We outfitted it with fishing rod and ski holders, Max Trax traction boards, and a 36-inch high lift jack. Whether you're hitting the trails, the snow, or heading out to camp, this setup is ready. Moving to the sides, we added heavy-duty kick-out rock sliders and adjustable folding mirrors for both protection and visibility. Out back, we installed a rear windshield wiper kit and heavy-duty rear bumper to match the front, because if you're running a Northstar, you might as well have full visibility and coverage in every condition. It's sitting on aggressive 30-inch Crawler XG tires wrapped around 15-inch Pro Armor wheels, and we added a matching mounted spare with the Lock and Ride Max Spare tire carrier. Inside, we kept it functional and clean. A RAM phone mount for hands-free access, remote start so you can fire it up from inside the house, and full tint on every piece of glass except the windshield to finish off that aggressive look. This is just a small example of what we can do here at Race-Driven Powersports. Whether you want mild upgrades or a full custom build like this, we've got you covered. Stop by and see us at 1419 Ludington St in Escanaba. Give us a call at 906-420-8009 and let's build your ride your way.